Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a simple everyday look because the only reason I'm doing my makeup today is because I'm actually filming a giveaway video after this video. So definitely check out the giveaway. It'll be running for a month. But I'm just going to do my makeup like quick. Like, I don't need it to be perfect, just presentable. I'm just using their LA Girl Brow Pomade. What color am I using? Soft black. Because I have really dark eyebrows. I'm not using the usual brow brush I usually use, but this is doing okay. Okay. So how are you guys doing? Brows are done. They're not perfect. You're definitely seeing this. It's not perfect, but that's how they're looking so far. Now I'm going to do foundation. I'm just taking the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the color Burkina. You guys have seen me use this like a billion times. I'm not going to put on a lot. Just a little bit. Tomorrow I'm actually taking Abella to the zoo, so I'm actually super excited about that. We're going to the San Diego Zoo for the first time like ever, literally ever. So she's super excited, and since she's only 2, she gets them for free. But she loves animals, loves them, so she's excited. I'm excited too because I've never been to the San Diego Zoo. I've been to the LA Zoo. But then again, I have like this faint memory of going to a zoo, and I think it might have been the San Diego Zoo when I was like in elementary school. So I was like super young. But all I remember is that like you can get like these little wax figures of like the animal, like an animal you choose. I remember getting like a giraffe. I was like so happy. Hold on. But yeah, I got a giraffe and I was literally so happy. I was like the happiest kid in the world. And I think that was like San Diego Zoo. I'm not sure, but I think it might have been. Alright, and I'm just gonna do eyes. This is like a super simple look today. I'm using the Sweet and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. I did like a whole review on these eyeshadows. But I'm just doing something quick. I'm just taking the brown and I'm just gonna put that on my entire lid. This is literally just like an everyday look. It's nothing crazy. You'll see me on the other side. But yeah, I've been waiting to do a giveaway for you guys, and I finally have the chance. So I bought you guys some stuff, some really cute stuff, and you're not gonna want to miss that giveaway. And I'm just gonna go with like this bronzy color right here. Same brush, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna swipe that. Right here. That's pretty. You can't really tell on camera because it's like a very subtle, like metallic glittery shade, but it's really pretty. I'm not gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna take the Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition Volumizing and Conditioning Mascara. I got this in my I don't remember when I got it. The 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta. They, like when I ordered that, they sent me like a free makeup bag full of makeup. And this was in there. I actually like it. It's really pretty. It really lengthens my lashes. So, it does its job. I used to be so scared of using these kind of wands, but now I'm happy I gave them a chance because it really separates my lashes very well. It makes my lashes look so long and full. So those are my top lashes. Let's do the bottom. For the bottom, I'm using the AOA Skinny Underlash Mascara. I'm so happy they have this. I've been looking so long for bottom lashes mascara. And I got this one on Shop Miss A, which is where I got a lot of the giveaway stuff from. So this is perfect. It's in the color black. Let me open it. It's first time using it. Ooh, it's so tiny. Look at that. So tiny. So let's try it. Get some of this off. Kind of concerned because it like clumps up. Let me try again. It like clumps up on the wand. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to just like get some of the product off. There's so much of it. Oh well, let's see what happens. See, like it's too much product. I'm just gonna probably use my hand. I don't want to, but I think I'm gonna have to. Look how much product I have to wipe off. I'll try it like this. I'll have to try it a couple more times to see like if it get to work for me. But right now, I don't know. I don't know about this. Don't really like it. It's like so weird. I don't know about that, but you can see it's like kind of clumpy and gross under my eyes. I'm messing up my foundation to fix this mascara. Kind of clumpy, so I don't know about this. I have to like waste so much product just to use it. Alright, I'm just gonna do lips. I'm just using the lip oil from She Makeup. It's this right here. It's just vanilla, vitamin E, and then it's like, I don't know, lip oil. It's very thick, so. This is the look. Super simple, super easy, very basic, quick makeup look for you guys. It looks quite cute though. Quite cute. Alright then. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little makeup tutorial of just a basic everyday makeup look. Alright, bye.